R. Khardokar from Jagannath Municipal Secondary School, that is chapter number 4 from Geometric General Maths 2, Geometrical Construction. Geometrical construction is base for the future construction, engineering, and so on. In geometrical construction, we are going to study in this general maths 2 basic concepts. The basic concept, first we have to know what are the instruments to be used in your book. When you say geometry box, the geometry box is a small size which is about 6 inches by 3 inches. In that you have different instruments in it. Let's see what are the instruments and what are its component names and what are its use. The very first one, what we have is the ruler. Many of you all say it's a scale. So this is your ruler. I'm using the model which is a bigger size one. Now in this you have ruler. You have two things. One you have on the top as inches, and below that you have the centimeter. Now for your purpose for construction, you require only centimeters. So centimeters where are there? It is written on the top. That you are going to check. So this is your scale or ruler. You are going to use only centimeters. Keep it in mind. I repeat, you are going to use only the centimeters. Second thing is what you require is a protector. This is your protector. Many of you all say D, it's a wrong word. I again use, you are going to use the right word called as protector. Now protector, you have two things in it. One, two zeros in it. One on your right and one on your left. On the right, when you say, on your right, when you say, you have the numbers going on from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It goes up to 90 and then it goes to as it is 100, 110, 120, 108. So it goes from 0 to 10, 20, 30 and so on. And if you are going from this way, going from this end. 0, 10, 20. You go inner lining here in this. Inner lining. That means you are going to the clockwise direction. You are going from the inner side of it. And when you are going from the 0 from other side, you go on the outer side. The third one, what you are going to use is the compass. Now here this is a model. I'm not using exact compass here. I'm putting a pen, the marker pen, which is to be put on the spot. Now this has to be very tight. It should not be loose. And one more thing is that this pencil, what you are going to insert it in, it should be pointed. And second thing, you require these two things should be touched each other. So if this is okay, then every your construction will be good. The third and the fourth and the fifth instrument what we are going to use is the set square. Basically, set square is of two things. One is 45, 90 and 45 angle set square. One more is there. You have 30, 60, 90 protected set square. Two sets where you have one is 30, 60, 90 set square, and the second one what you require is 45, 45, 90. Now when I say 45, 45, this is an isosceles right angle triangle. No doubt this is also an isosceles right angle triangle. This is also a right angle triangle. But this is an isosceles because these two sides are equal. So once you know this thing, the compass and its instrument, let's go for the theory and see what you are going to do. The basic concepts in your Einstein. First one, I'll write it down some questions on the board, and in that we will solve it out later. I'll read it out. Draw a segment BQ of length 5 centimeters. It's a basic question that I'm going to talk about. I told you first is the revision, and then you are going to go for the further part. particular bisector of segment AB equal to 5 centimeters. I'll write down all the questions and then we'll solve it out one by one. Draw angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Q angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. Draw an angle PQR is equal to 45 degree and bisected. Construct angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. I've written the 5 questions on the board. Let's see how we will do these questions on the board. The very first one, what is that? Is draw a segment 5 centimeters. PQ is given to you. Segment PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. So segment is the part of a line which measures as 5 centimeters. It does not have an arrowhead on it. So we are going to take this P here and Q. It measures as 5 centimeters. So you are going to keep this as 0 here and make a dot here, another, and draw a line. So this is what you get is Q, and this measures is 5 centimeters. So we are going to write this as 5 centimeters. As a simple thing, a segment is a 2 dots or a distance whatever is required in it. You do not require an arrowhead in it. points, and that distance is 5 centimeters. Let's take the next one. Draw segment. Draw a perpendicular bisector to segment AB is equal to 5 centimeters. So the first part is continued in the second one. So the second one is you are going to take it once again, that is P. Measure it as 5 centimeters. Again the same thing. Join it. You get PQ. That measure is 5 centimeters. The second is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means a 90-degree angle. You have to draw directly a perpendicular line and make this equal halves, 2.5. So for that case, you require a compass. You are going to keep this on P, and less than this PQ or more than half of this PQ, you take it on top, and R, the same measurement, you are going to put it from this P downward. And from the other end, the same measurement, you are not going to change anything in that. You are going to cut it. Now once you have these two arcs, see the center of it. Put a dot here wherever is required with a compass and join this. And this will be your perpendicular as well as bisector. It is perpendicular and bisector. Perpendicular in the sense you will get this as 90 degree, perpendicular, and bisector. Bisector means you are going to divide it into two equal halves. So this two parts will be equal. So if you take this as 5, this will be naturally 1.5 and 2.5. So what you are going to do? You are going to take a centimeter of 5 centimeter, because he is giving you the measure. With this compass on the top and bottom with the same point, with the other end you are going to cut and join this or cut it. When you cut it, you will get this as perpendicular as well. So this is the second part of your second question, and two parts you are going to do. The first one as it is, and the second one is the perpendicular. take the next one. The next one is draw an angle. These are all by simple questions what you have already studied in your previous classes. I know it is first standard, fourth standard sums, but no doubt general maths you have taken, you should know about it. Let's take the next one. Draw an angle ABC 60 degree. Angle ABC. So B is in the center. So this is your point B, and you have to draw a line or a ray on this ray. You are taking C, not close to it, but on. Now with the protector, I want to measure this as 60 degree. The protector, the B pole should be exactly here on this point, and this 0 should be on that line. So B is here and C is here. B is in the center and C is on that 0 line, and C is the inner 0. 0 is starting from your 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You're going to mark. I repeat, B should be in the center. C should be on that line and the 0 on the 0. Measure the inner 0, this inner side, because 0 starts from there, not on the top, because there is no line this side on the left. So this is your 60. Join it, and that will be your angle. And this is your angle, and it measures that 60 degree. So mark. Now the second one, the same thing. Angle ABC is 90 degree. ABC, B is in the center. B is in the center. So this will be your B. B will be here. Arrowheads on both the sides. 90 degree. Here. Measure this as 90 degree from this. B on the center. C along the 0. C 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And join it, and that will be your E point on top, and this is your angle ABC. $90 degree. You are not going to write 90, this mark it, this is your 90. This is your 90 degree mark. Perpendicular on 90. On top, put it as A, and this is your required angle ABC. Third question of the same one, third part of the third question. Draw an angle ABC 120 degrees. Again, we are going to keep it at BC. Knee measurement. And see that this is 120 degree. So what you get is on the other side of 90. So protector B here, C on the 0. Keep it flat. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Once again, check both are on the 0 and the dot, and then join this P and this dot, and you will get the angle ABC 120 degree. Is it clear? The third question. Let's go for the fourth one. Triangle PQR is equal to 45 degree and bisect. Angle you know how to measure 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. But you have to bisect it by means 2 and section. 2 sections you are going to draw. 2 parts of it you are going to draw. So let's see what is it? 45 degree. Q is in the center. So Q will be in the center. Q is in the center. R is 0. The measurement is 45 degree. So QR, you're going to keep it Q on the center and 0 on R. Now it is 45, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50. Between 40 and 50 will be 45 degrees. So 45 degree will be here. Between 40 and 50, this is your 45 degree. Mark it here, and that will be your 45 angle. So angle PQR is 45 degree. The top part will be your P. Sorry, P, and measure of this angle is 45 degree. Now you have to bisect it. Bisect it means divide it into two parts, two sections. So with a compass, you're going to keep a little bigger, not very small also, so that you don't turn it like. So you keep it on Q and draw an arc. Cut it on both the sides of equal measurement, you say. From this Q point, cut it here and cut it here with the same measurement. You can change this one. But when keeping here and here, this should be same. Now you can change it here, make it a little smaller, and on this point, draw an arc here with the same measurement. Now don't change it. You're going to keep it here and cut it. See where the cutting is, both of them. See where the dot. There's two arcs meet here. Join this one, and that will be your bisector. A ray you get. The name is not given to the ray, so you're going to keep the point on top of it, not very close to the arc, and you name this as X and ray XQ, ray QX is the bisector. Bisector means divided into two equal parts. That means this will be 22 and a half, and this will be 22 and a half. Both will be 22 and a half parts. So the fourth question we have finished. Let's take the fifth question. Read it out. What is given to you? Construct angle ABC congruent to the angle PQR. You are given an angle PQR. In a question paper or somewhere it is given to